Hey, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I am Kevin, and guess what? I'm back outside. It's supposed to hit, I think, 45 today. It's a little bit of a breeze, so it's a little chilly, but I'm going to use my Recteq Bullseye, Recteq 380 Bullseye today. And we went to a gathering the other night, and Elizabeth made a big batch of macaroni and cheese, and we have leftovers. So I don't know if you when this video is going to be posted. I made chicken and green chili and chicken macaroni and cheese soup that you'll see if you haven't already seen it, and with the leftover macaroni that we still have, which is not very much, but I'm gonna make some macaroni and cheese poppers, jalapeno poppers with mac and cheese. So simple recipe, and I know a lot of you might already know how to make poppers, but I'm telling you, use up that leftover mac and cheese. You can make other great stuff with it instead of just eating mac and cheese. All right, so let's get inside. I'll show you how I'm going to put them together, and then we'll put them on this Recteq Bullseye 380 at 250 degrees. Yeah, so the first thing you got to do is slice your jalapenos in half. These are some pretty big ones I grabbed at the store. And then just take your spoon, kind of cut right along there, and scrape them out. Piece of cake, just like that. I wasn't going to do it, but what I am going to go ahead and cut these stems off, and you can see the meat right there. So just cut it so that your pepper stays together, and then that way, when you're eating them, you don't have to worry about not eating the stem, and you can eat the whole thing. Got my leftover macaroni and cheese right here, and then I've got some great value bacon, and you know what? This is just so irritating. 12 ounces. You can't even buy a pound of bacon at a decent price. You can get a pound, but yeah, okay, shrinkflation. Okay, so wire rack, feet up, and so you can move it around on the grill if you need to. And all you're gonna do now is take a little bit of macaroni and cheese, stuff it on in there. Of course, some of this, you might see some green things in my mac and cheese because, yeah, we put green chili in our mac and cheese. So it's New Mexico. It's like using salt. Okay, you want to get your jalapeno, you can overstuff it a little bit. Then you want to take your piece of bacon. I like to start it a little bit over on the side. That way when I wrap it, it kind of covers it as well. I lost my filling. Okay, so that helps hold the bacon on. I don't use toothpicks. So you gotta, these are jalapenos are a good size. I'm going to use one piece of bacon. If you have small ones, you can use half a piece, and stretch them all the way over, just like that, and set them on your rack. This is a cooling rack turned upside down with the feet up. All right, I'm gonna get these done. We'll get them on the grill. Just like that. Don't you love YouTube? I mean, you didn't have to watch me wrap all of those up and stuff them and all of that. Anyway, I had like a spoonful left of macaroni and cheese. I had 2 pieces of bacon, so I wrapped up the macaroni and cheese and the last 2 pieces of bacon. And now at this point, you can sprinkle any seasonings you might want. You might spice it up a little bit more. I'm not sure if or what I want to put on here, but for right now, it's going on the grill just like that. Before I get any further, you might have noticed I wasn't wearing any gloves cutting the jalapenos or working with jalapenos. And you got to be really careful because your fingers are still hot. You might touch your eyes, your nose, your face, your lips, whatever. You might lick your fingers and go, oh my gosh, I still have jalapeno popper or jalapeno heat on my fingers. What do you do to get rid of it? Here, grab you a bottle of olive oil. Take a little bit of olive oil because olive oil will help get that hot off of your fingers. So you can rub them really well. I actually could use a little bit more olive oil than that. And then do that really well. And then go wash your hands. And you'll get rid of the heat off of your fingers. All right, let's get out to the grill now. Hey, just to show you, use that olive oil trick. If you ever handle hot peppers or jalapenos, it works really well. Like I said, you wash them, let them stay on there for, whatever, 30 seconds to a minute. Wash them with warm soapy water. Totally gone. No heat, nothing. I could touch my eyes. I could do whatever I want to touch. All right? That's a pro tip for you. Put these on the grill. Just set them right there in the center. Again, we're doing 250 degrees. Should be an hour to 2 hours. It's thin bacon, so maybe just a little over an hour. We'll see. We'll be back. It's been an hour and 15 minutes for these mac and cheese poppers, and look at that. That thin bacon cooks up a lot faster. So if you're using a thick bacon, it'll probably take longer than an hour and 15 minutes. But these are done. So let me get these off and take them in the house and let them cool off a little bit and do a taste test. Look at that. Look at those. Leftover macaroni and cheese jalapeno poppers. Okay, so there you have it. Leftover mac and cheese jalapeno popper. Let's give it a try. Which end? That's really good. There's the mac and cheese inside there. I didn't end up putting any rub or anything on the outside. I just wanted the bacon, the mac and cheese, and the jalapeno flavor. I got to tell you, between these leftover mac and cheese jalapeno poppers and the chicken and green chili mac and cheese soup that I made, I mean, I think I want to make some more mac and cheese just so I can make some more of these other things with the mac and cheese. With the leftovers, of course. Anyway, thanks for checking this out. Some of you that have been waiting for me to get back outside, finally back outside. Decent day. Weather's pretty good. This weather's crazy. Cold one day, nice the next. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next video. Have a great day.